yeah, tree. Like you're like,
yeah.
tree.
I learned full this weekend.
Full?
Yeah.
Full? Full. Fed up. You also see it as fed up. A lot of deaf people won't use it because they think it's offensive because they use it as fed up instead of like, I'm full. Fed up. But yeah. That means like, I'm full of it. I don't want it. I'm just fed up. Floor dirty. They do this as sweep. You see sweep like this also. Sweep. Sweep. Same thing. Vacuum. Vacuum. When we do our sentences, you will have to start out with like floor dirty and vacuum. Okay, because that's how it's supposed to be. But I mean, in most stuff, so you'll just be like, "Oh, could you vacuum, please?" You know, it's already inferred that the floor is dirty. Door, knock. The sign for like knock. Does it say answer? Yeah. Door. Remember not. Open door. Door. Knock. Will you answer? You answer? Will you answer the door? Phone. Ringing. Would you answer? Phone. Sign for bell or ringing. Phone. Ringing. You answer. What you see is he's answering with a TTY. Very old book. Most of the time they answer with a video relay service on a computer now. TTY, you see, whoa, holy crap. This dress is so slippery. You see a TTY, it's a phone that's connected with looks like a typewriter. It's pretty much what it looked like with a typewriter. And whatever typed comes out on the other end where whoever's calling them.
Like a ticker tape.
A what?
Ticker tape?
Ticker tape?
No,
Like a ticker tape parade? Why'd that pop in my head? Is that something? Ticker tape parade? No?
I think so.
I think it is. What is that, the same thing?
Kind of like used on Wall Street. It's like it's a strip of paper
Oh, a
comes out
strip
with
of
words
paper,
and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. Almost. I mean, they're not used anymore now. It's video relay service, which you guys know about that. Most of you, yeah?
I used to run one.
Someone wants to research it. Okay. I love this face.
So
Next page. Oh.
to open the door and answer the phone, essentially it's like go, but you start up here. It's just like saying.
It looks like go, but answer comes from your mouth. You physically answer it. Answer.
And that applies to door and phone.
Door and phone, because you're like answering it. You're answering the knock. Answering.
Gotcha.
Okay, next page. I love this face. Flower. Flowers. Wilted. Here's all your flowers, your vines, or whatever. You notice it looks like there's the vase there, and they're going out. That's why her hands are right here, because it's emulating the vase. Pour in, we already did that. Thirsty, coffee. Bring. I'm not going to go over a lot of these because you already know the signs. Bring. Bring. Bring you. Bring me. We already did that. Clothes. Clothes piled up. This is a classifier for piled up. Could be anything. Could be rocks piled up. But like clothing piled up. Dirty. Need to wash. With laundry. Clothesline. Just doing like putting it on the clothesline.
So what is she saying? She's washing clothes?
What she's saying, she washed the clothes and she's putting them on the line now. Because it comes with little clamp things that way. If you wanted to explain the line, you could do it that way too. Remember I told you guys there's kind of a lot of freedom with this unit. Shirt messed up. You got a stain on the shirt. It's wrinkled. It's messed up. Shirt messed up. Wrinkled. Need to iron. Iron. Like grip the iron like you would. Here's your board. Easy as that. Iron.
So that's the same sign for CDs on the shelf. Messed
Yeah,
up.
it just means messed up, but it's a very vague kind of inferred, like, oh, my shirt's messed up. It's wrinkled. Wrinkled. It's messed up. It's kind of like an inferred thing in deaf culture.
Gotcha.
Shirt, pants, jacket ripped. Whatever you want to say is ripped. This is just a sign for rip. Looks like what it is, ripped. I think probably gestural too. Sew. Sign for sew. Pretty easy peasy. So, last page, guys, before we break. Cigarettes. Cigarettes piled up. Need to dump. Dump the cigarette or ashtray. Just classify. This is how you pick up an ashtray. Just dump it. Use your classifier common sense. Dump it. If it's a big vase, dump it. See my hands? Whatever it looks like, grab it. Use this classifier. See? Dump it. The box, pick it up, dump it. Dump it. Okay? Use your classifier common sense. You've got something that's like this, grab it, pour. If it's like oval shaped, like this big, dump it like that. If it's huge, walk in it and you gotta lean over, classifier common sense. Pile it up. Dump the trash can piled up. Did you pile up?
This is garbage.
Dump it. Garbage or trash can. Garbage or trash can. Then you dumped it. That's all we've got there. Need to send a letter. Send. Let me show you guys that. Looks like Asia is down here. Asia. Asia. A hand. Send. Sent. So you've got need, send a letter, need, send, letter. You'll see this send. A lot of times that's used for an email. Because this is signed for email. See email like this too, but email, send.
A hand send.
Send. No. S hand. Because it. Think of this. Think of the difference. This is Asia. Send is S for send. Send. That's
Yes. We got lucky on that one, didn't we?
Yeah, I know, right? I just realized that. Send. Send out a memo. Send. Send the paper to wherever.
So we got this for letter. That.
Like
oh,
a
okay.
stamp.
Letter.
Oh.
Or mail. So it's a sign for mail. So stamp that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Stages of completion. Not yet. You guys know this. Not yet. It means late. It means not yet. Not yet. Not finished.
Yeah.
Not finished. Not yet. To me seems like the same thing. But they've got it as a peg over. I don't know. But almost. See this? Means almost. You need to know this. Almost finished. Almost finished. You could use soon finished. Finish soon. Finish will. Almost finished. It means kind of like you're right on the dot. Like you're not quite here, over it. You're not quite finished. You're right on the edge. Almost finished. Almost finished. Soon finished. Then you have finished. Remember facial expression. Not yet. Not yet. Not finished. And I don't mean to make it look negative. It's not really a negative thing, but almost finished, and then finished. Eyebrows are kind of not finished. Not finished. Make sure to shake that head. We'll do the numbers, and then you guys come back.